Hey everybody, this is a quick video just to show you how to make that first graph on the Deer and Wolf Lab. So all you got to do is take your first three columns and we're going to copy those. And I'm going to hit Control C on my keyboard. You Apple users use the Command C. And then I'm going to go ahead and make a spreadsheet. So I'm going to go to New, Spreadsheet, and I'm going to copy that data into the cells of that spreadsheet. So starting up here in the top right corner, still loading. And then I'm going to hit Control V, and that's going to copy my first three columns of information. Once I have that, then I want to highlight those three columns, and I'm going to insert a chart. So insert chart, just like that, and that should pop up a beautiful graph that we still need to do a little work on to adjust the scale. Everything's a little slower here because I'm recording video. So in a moment, after it's done working, we'll see a graph pop up. But then, because you see the wolf population numbers are so small and the deer population numbers are so large, you can't even see, this is the deer population up here, it looks great, but you can't even see the wolf population over here. Oh, my lights just went out. There we go. So what we need to do is adjust the scale. So you're going to go all the way over to the right-hand side here and click on Customize Series. And there's a little drop down here called Apply to All Series, and I want to apply a new axis to the wolf population. So boom, and then you go down. Oh, I think I am in the way. I'm going to move myself. And then you go to where it says left axis, and we're just going to click right axis. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us a second axis over here that is just for the wolf population. So it goes 0 to 30 on this side and 0 to 250. That way we can kind of compare them side by side. Then all you got to do is click this thing, and then you're going to Control C and head back over to your lab, and where it says copy and paste your graph into this space, you give it the old Control V. And you can go ahead and do linked or unlinked. It does not matter. I'm going to do unlinked, paste, and ta-da, a beautiful graph appears. And you can resize that to make it a little smaller if you want. Anyway, that's how you do it. Hope that helps.